Oh, I remember the nights we used to share, whispers in the dark, no worries, no care. But now the silence echoes in this empty room. Your love was my light, now I'm lost in the gloom. Every picture on the wall tells a story we made, but those memories fade like the colors that frayed. You were my sunshine, my reason to believe. Now I'm drowning in sorrow, struggling to breathe. I reach for your hand, but it's just a ghost. The love we had, now it hurts the most. I thought forever was a promise we keep, but now I'm awake and you're lost in my dreams. Shatterd love, can't you see? You were everything, you were my heartbeat. Now I'm falling apart piece by piece. Without you here I can't find my peace. Oh, Shatterd love, why'd you go? Left me with a heart that's sinking so slow. I still hear your voice, it lingers in the air, but I'm just a shadow, a soul laid there. They turn to nights and I'm lost in the haze, searching for your smile in the endless maze. I replay our laughter like the song in my mind, but every note I hit just leaves me behind. I thought love was easy like a sweet melody, but now it's a struggle, a haunting symphony. I'm trying to find a way to move on from you, but every step I take just leads me back to Shatterd love. Can't you see? You were everything, you were my heartbeat. Now I'm falling apart piece by piece. Without you here I can't find my peace. Oh, Shatterd love, why'd you go? Left me with a heart that's aching so slow. I still hear your voice, it lingers in the air, but I'm just a shadow, a soul laid bare.